So guys, in this video I'm going to share with you how to make money online, and I am going to share with you something very much special that nobody else is using. Yeah, it's kind of like a business model that is coming from a lot of years, but people are missing out one thing. If you are making $0, you can quickly go to $100 a day, and if you are making $100 a day, you will be able to go to $1,000 a day. It really does not matter, but you have to watch this video to find out that special thing. But before we are going to go towards a special thing, let me tell you how the whole business model works. So generally what we do, for example, in the it's kind of like affiliate marketing, or maybe it's kind of digital publishing. So in all of the things in the digital publishing, actually this one thing I'm going to share with you works in all of the things, whether it's digital publishing, affiliate marketing. It's like selling any digital products, okay? And even if you are going to do any kind of drop shipping, you can still use some part of this method that can help you 2x 3x your sales, okay? So now in the affiliate marketing, what we do, we go to the any kind of website. For example, it's Amazon, and on the Amazon, if we find a product, we find a product, a pretty good product, then what we think, if we are going to promote that product, okay, then the Amazon is going to promote, give us a commission. For example, you are going to sell $100 product, $100, something like $100 camera. So if you are going to sell that camera, okay, Amazon is going to give you a special link, and if someone is going to use that link to buy the camera, then Amazon is going to give you some percentage of it. For example, 10%. So this is how you make money with affiliate marketing. You generally sell other people's products in return for a commission. And what we do in the digital publishing, we simply sell our own products. For example, the digital courses, like for video courses, maybe ebook and stuff like that. We just sell the digital products. So now I think that you have cleared, you have understood what we are going to do. So now let me introduce you to the whole business model, and what is the special thing, and what are the things that people are missing out, due to which they are making $0 or making very few money. So now what we generally do in the affiliate marketing or in the digital publishing, what we do, we actually send the traffic directly. We actually send the traffic directly to the product page, and on the product page we have a product, and below that there is a button which is telling them to buy. But what the hell, because the guy which is coming from YouTube, maybe which is coming from Facebook, Instagram, they do not even actually know you, who the hell are you, so they are not going to buy from you. So this is a number one mistake, sending the traffic directly to the affiliate link. And if they are not going to buy, you are simply going to leave that visitors, okay, simply going to leave that because the visitor will be gone. You will never be able to catch that visitor, okay? So this is the number one mistake that everybody else is missing out. So now what is another mistake that other peoples are missing out, okay? So after that, the second kind of guys which are a little bit smarter, what they do actually, before they sending them to the affiliate link, they do not actually send them to the affiliate link, but they actually send them to an opt-in page. So on this opt-in page, they are going to collect their email. So what they do, they simply tell them, hey, you want to make money, stuff like that, you want to lose 1 kg weight within just a week, then click the button below, and after that a form will appear, and they just need to fill in the form. Then the email will be captured by those marketers, so that they can later on send them the emails and can make money with that. Yeah, this is a pretty good idea, okay? And thereafter they just simply send that guy to the affiliate link, okay, affiliate link. They simply send them to the affiliate link, and this is also a big mistake, because you are not developing any kind of relationship. They are not even going to open your emails. Why? Just because you are telling them, hey, if you want this, you have to enter your email. They do not actually have the choice. That is the reason, okay? So they are not, and thereafter you are going to quickly sell them something. They do not even know you, who the hell are you, and you are selling them. So in this case also, you will be able to make a little more money, but you will not be able to make more money. So now the third kind of marketers, these are going to be a little bit smarter, okay? These are going to be more smarter. So what these guys do, these guys are simply collect the emails, but what they do, they give them something for free. For example, they give them like 10 free tips to lose 10 kg weight within just 10 days, stuff like that. And thereafter they are going to give them something for free, and they tell them, if you want this, please enter your email. So thereafter they simply collect their email and they are giving them something for free. Now the guy who comes from YouTube, Facebook, or from wherever, the guy knows that this is a really good guy, this guy is helping me out for free. So now it starts building up a relation. And because you have given the free, these marketers have given the free book to that guy, now he will start looking, he will start opening his emails, he will think that this guy has helped me for free, maybe he's giving something for free, I should open his email. So that is how this guy will be making a ton of more money. Yeah, these are the smart guys, because these are making money, and after that they can send them to an affiliate offer and they will be able to make, yeah, pretty much very less money, but now they have captured their emails. So now if they can send them message and can sell the products later on. So now these are smart marketers. But what are the experts? How do they actually make money? How do they do something different? So now this is kind of the special thing comes in. What do I mean by the special thing? It's actually like you are going to like let me take you to another whiteboard. Okay, so what they do actually, okay, so let me just tell you something different. So now what they actually do, they actually send the traffic, they do all of the things a little bit same. Okay, they do all of the things same, they just send them to a page where they actually collect their emails. Okay, they just give them something for free, which can be ebook, training, or anything, and then they just collect their email. Okay, and the email will go to the autoresponder, because the email has now been collected, they are collecting the data. Okay, so now they will start sending them emails. But here you are not going to, but as I already told you that these are not the wise marketers, because they are only sending them to an affiliate offer. Okay, they are only sending them to a one product. But what they can do, what the smart marketers do, more the expert guys do, they simply send them to another product. Okay, yeah, it's kind of the same thing, but they send them to a lower ticket product. For example, they may be selling between $7. Okay, they may be selling something between $7 to $49, because chances are more and more people are going to buy this product. That is why they are selling a lower price product, and after someone is going to buy that product, they are again going to sell them another product, which will be kind of like, it can be a $500 product. Okay, or it could be a $2,500 product. And because these guys have now built the relation, their credit card has been taken out, and a lot of guys, nearly 20 to 25% guys who bought from here, who bought on this page, will be buying from here, 20 to 25%. But look at this, these guys were also promoting the same offer of like $7 to $97, and what the average conversion we get is 1%. So let's say you are going to send 1,000 people from the Facebook or YouTube or wherever. So on a good average page, you can get 40-50% open rate. Let's say 400 people, 40% people are going to enter the email. So only 400 people will go to this page. Okay. So now out of those 400, only 1%, that means 4 people are going to buy the product. Let's say it's a $50 product. Okay, 4 people are going to buy a $50 product. So what will be, it will be $200. Okay, it will be $200. So now over here, because they are going to sell a lower price product, let's say they are going to sell a $7 product. So instead of 1% conversion, chances are the conversion will be go to 1.5%. But we are only going to take that conversions are 4%. Okay, conversions are only 4%, because the 1,000 people are coming from here, 400 people have given the emails. Okay, and now the only 4 people buy on this page. Okay, so now what you have made $28. Okay, you have made $28. But what I'm saying was that 20 to 25%, in 90% of the cases, 25% of the people are going to buy. So now only one people is going to buy a $500 product. Okay, so now what you have made $528 from here. you have made $528 from here instead of just making $200. What you have done over here, you have already made 2.5 times more money by just doing nothing but selling a more high ticket product on the same page, after the same page. So that is how, this is the one thing, this is not the end thing, but this is the one thing. Okay, this is the one thing. So now what the more smart marketers do, what these guys do, these are that many smart marketers, but what they actually do, they just keep sending them emails to sell them something. Okay, to sell them something. Every time they send them emails, they just start selling them. Okay, they do not provide any kind of value. But what these kind of smart marketers do, these smart marketers, whenever they send them email, okay, and one of the big issue that these guys are doing, they are only selling a product of $7 to $97. They do not sell the product like $100 to like $200, $500. But what these guys do, these guys like for on the first day, these guys will send them an email giving them some kind of value, teaching them something for free. And then on the second day, these guys are going to do sending them email but giving them value again. On the third day, maybe they are going to sell them something, but the third day when they are going to sell them something, more and more people will be buying, because people will come to know that this guy really helps us. So if he's selling us, if he's sharing with us something, we should buy that product. So in this case, he will be getting more and more sales. And the good part over here is these marketers are the smart marketers. So what these guys do, these guys sell the products of like $200, okay, $500. So if they are, let's say if they are going to get just these guys are going to get two sales, okay, two sales of $100, then they have only made, these guys have only made $200. But let's say these guys are going to make just one sale of $500, so that is boom, they have made over $500. This is one of the big mistake that those guys are not doing. Okay, so what I want to tell you is that you just do not need to think about the only thing about the front end. Okay, just let me tell you in a more detailed stuff. What most guys do think that the traffic is coming from here. Okay, the traffic is coming from here, and on this page we are going to collect the email. And most marketers think that we can only make more money from here. Okay, but actually the thing is this, that you are going to make 90% of the money, 90% of the money, not here but here in the emails. Okay, you can simply shoot them an email if you are going to build up a relation. And the catch is this, one of the special thing that I already told you is selling them high ticket products. Do not just keep on selling them $97 product or $200 product, also sell them $1,000 product, because one sale of $1,000 is equal to 10 sales of $100. So just think about it, how would that be different? Just think about it. Okay, and also the second thing, this is the one special thing, selling the high ticket products. And the second thing is it's like building the back end funnels. For example, 90% of the marketers do not even sell after this point, but the ultimate expert marketers sell over here. That is the reason they make most money, and they do have a back end process. They know what products to sell, how to provide value, when to sell. Their back end stuff is their back end stuff is solid. Their back end stuff is actually solid, because 90% of the money is made here, not here. This is all this is the front end all this is the front end. Okay, this is the front end, because you are not building a relation here. You are not going to make more money over here, but you will be making 90% of your money with the emails. So just develop relation, have a back end funnel, have good funnel. Just think about it, what you are going to sell in the future with their email, what you are going to sell on the next page, because when you are going to do this, you will be able to make more money. These guys just make like 50 cents per email they collect. Okay, and after about 6 months, their whole email list go dead, because nobody buys, because these guys only sell them the promotional stuff. They do not build any relation, so nobody wants to buy. But these guys just provide them value. These guys provide them value, so they actually make $2, $5, or even some are making $10 per email per month. So just think about it, how much powerful this is going to be. Let's say you are going to have an email list of 1,000 people, and you are going to make $3 per email, so that is going to be $3,000 But on the other hand, if these guys are having a thousand email list of 1,000 people and they are only making 50 cents, so what they have made is $500, which is 6 times less money, and you will be able to make money years and years and years. Your email list will be buying from you after years and years, but after 6 to 8 months their whole email list will go dead. In 6 to 8 months they have to build a new email list, and again it will not be responsive. Okay, so that is what the special two things: first, sell high ticket products, and second is having the back end process, because the 90% of the stuff is done over here. This is only to show, this is only to bring the customers in, this is only to develop that trust, this is only to take out their credit cards. This is not to make money, but to bringing the customer in, developing a relation. Okay, that is how the smart market, not the smart marketers but the expert guys are making a ton of more money. So let me know guys if you like this video, and if you want to make at least $100 per day for free, then check out the first link in the description. It will help you to make your first money even if you have zero money. Okay, so I will see you in the next video now.